Good morning, children. Hope you are safe, right? Okay. In the last class, I have given you an assignment. Did you do? You would have done because you are good children, right? Okay. Now, we are dealing with the lesson food and health, right? First, let me recap the topics what we have learnt in the last class. Okay, in the last class, we have learnt about nutrients. What are nutrients? The chemical substances that are essential for healthy growth and development of the body are nutrients. Right? Second, we have learnt about types of nutrients. Right? So, nutrients are of three types based on their function. First one, energy giving nutrients. The nutrients that give us energy to do our daily activities are energy giving nutrients. They are nothing but carbohydrates and fats. Yes, under second category, you have learnt about bodybuilding nutrients. So, what are bodybuilding nutrients? The nutrients that help us to build up our body are bodybuilding nutrients. They are nothing but proteins. Under third category, we have learnt about protective nutrients. What are protective nutrients? The nutrients that protect us from various diseases and helps us to stay healthy and fit are protective nutrients. What are they? Vitamins and minerals, right? We also learnt about role of water and roughage in our body, and we learnt what is a balanced diet, right? I think all of you are clear with these topics. That means you have understood, right children? Okay. Today, let us learn few other topics related to the lesson food and health, right? Are you ready for the class? Chalo, let's start. Now, let us learn food groups of a balanced diet, wrong eating habits that cause bad health, malnutrition and its forms, junk food and harmful effects, obesity and its prevention. Now, let us see the words we should learn in this lesson. Right? Malnutrition, undernutrition, overnutrition, obesity, deposited, overweight, low fat diet. Children, kindly learn the spellings for these words, right? In the last class, we have learned that we should have a balanced diet to stay healthy and fit. So, in order to have a balanced diet, the food items are divided into 5 main food groups so that we can choose the items from these groups to have a balanced diet. So, the 5 main food groups are: first one, cereals and potatoes, which give us carbohydrates and we should eat more. Second group, fruits and vegetables, which give us vitamins, minerals and roughage, and this also we should eat more. Third group, milk and its products, which give us proteins, fats and minerals, and we should eat less. Next, fourth group, pulses, meat, fish, eggs, that give us proteins and fats, and these also we should eat less. And last food item, fats, oils, sweets that give us fats, and we should eat very, very less. So children, in order to have a balanced diet, you can choose the items from these groups so that you can stay healthy and fit. We have learned that we should eat a balanced diet to stay healthy. But many people do not eat a balanced diet due to poverty. Some people, they doesn't know the food items that they should include in their diet to have a balanced diet. All these things can cause bad health. So a person who does not get enough nutrients in food suffers from malnutrition. So what is malnutrition? Malnutrition is a condition in which the body does not get right amount of nutrients. And this malnutrition occurs in two forms: undernutrition, overnutrition. So malnutrition means if a person does not get right amount of nutrients, that particular person suffers from malnutrition. Now let us learn about undernutrition. Undernutrition is a condition faced by a person who does not get enough nutrients from food. We all eat food to live, right children? Do you eat food? Yes. Sometimes a person may get enough food to eat but may still suffers from undernutrition if the food lacks enough nutrients. As a result, the person faces a problem of undernutrition. If we see the symptoms faced by a person suffering from undernutrition, the person will be weak, too thin, body growth reduces, and also the mental growth, that is thinking capacity of the body, also slows down and leads to various diseases. So children, here is the picture for you. A child who is suffering from undernutrition. So children, kindly have a balanced diet so that you will not face the problem of undernutrition. Now, let us see what is overnutrition. Overnutrition is a condition faced by a person who eats too much food or food with excess nutrients. So what happens to the person facing undernutrition? You can see the picture here. The child is overweight, right? So the person suffering from overnutrition becomes overweight, means increase in the weight of the person. That is nothing but obesity. Now let us see what is junk food and its harmful effects. What is junk food, children? You all like junk food, right? So junk food is nothing but food that may be tasty to eat, that is, which is enjoyable to eat but bad for our health is junk food. So what is junk food? Food that may be enjoyable to eat but bad for our health is junk food. And this junk food also lacks nutrients. This junk food will be rich in sugars and fats. So if we see cold drinks, ice creams, noodles, pizzas, burgers, french fries, potato chips, all these items will be very tasty to eat. You all feel to eat, right? But are they good for our health? No. If we eat them regularly, what happens, children? As they contain more fats, those fats get deposited in our body and leads to overweight. So children, try to avoid eating junk food regularly so that you stay healthy and fit. Now, let us learn what is obesity and its harmful effects and how to prevent obesity. So we have learned that eating lot of fatty and sugary foods leads to deposition of fats in our body, which causes overweight. That overweight is nothing but obesity. So what is obesity? Obesity is a condition of being overweight due to extra fat in the body. This obesity affects the growth and development of the body. Especially in children, it causes many problems. So, how can we prevent obesity? We can prevent obesity by having a balanced low-fat diet and by doing exercises like fast walking, jogging, cycling, swimming, etc. So, children, these are the topics for the day. Now, here is the worksheet for you. Try to answer the given questions in the worksheet 2. Thank you, children. Children, I think you have understood and clear with the concepts, right? Okay. I gave you a small activity. Do you remember, children? Which will be a part of your assessment too. I told you to draw a table and write down the food items which you will be eating on a particular day. I also told you to mention the quantity of water which you are drinking on that day, right? Kindly mention the water in number of glasses, like 8 glasses, 10 glasses, right? Please continue it, children. Don't stop. Let us see whether you are having a balanced diet or not, which helps you to stay healthy and fit. Right, children? Thank you. Have a nice day.